Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Erica and I create beauty videos as well as hair videos, and if you are interested in those things, definitely subscribe to my channel. So today guys, we are going to be doing a hair video. We're going to be doing this rubber band style. If you want to see how I got this look, definitely stay tuned. Alright, so we are starting out on freshly washed stretch hair, and I actually did a heatless stretch on this blown out hair. If you want to see that, definitely let me know. So in this next clip, you can see my hair is kind of like wavy or whatever. I tried a style I thought would be cute at first, but I didn't like it, so I ended up taking that out and end up doing this rubber band hairstyle. So like while I was doing this hairstyle, y'all, I was literally thinking about how this whole hairstyle is such like a viral thing right now, and it's such an old style because my mom used to do my hair like this in the second grade, y'all. Like, this is nothing new, but the fact that it came back and everybody kind of knew what it was, bruh, it's nothing but culture. So I section off two pieces on the side, you guys. Those are the sides I'm going to be braiding, and then I'm just trying to part my hair to just to get it, just I don't know, what do you call it, like just set this thing up, y'all. Like, I'm not good at explaining these things, but yeah, just watch the video. So I did not show you guys the products that I've used. I'm just using the Cream of Nature argan oil from Morocco. I'm using their twist and curl. I've used it in previous videos and I just love this product. So with this particular hairstyle, you can do this however you like. That there is so many variations of the rubber band hairstyle, so I just kind of chose something a little bit simpler, you know. And I just did like two on the side, and then I did the crisscross in the middle. But yeah, you can do this however you like. And then I went in and I used some even edge control on the front of my hair, just to kind of give it more of a sleek look. Alright, you guys, so you can pretty much do whatever you like for the back of your hair. You can do buns, you can twist it, anything. I just chose to fro it out. I did twist it. I did like a little twist out later on with it, and it came out really nice. So all I'm doing is laying my edges with that same edge control, and the products will be down in the description box, you guys. I think that's all I have. Like, yeah. So as always, if you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my new uploads. And I will see y'all in my next video.